More fireworks.
Here we go. Sit down, guys. Sit down. Watch. Gonna go out.
I'm gonna be over here.
Yeah, I feel like my heart stopped one time he did it. It was so loud. My heart raced. It's like terrifying. I thought it was funny. It's like, I'm just
Holy crap! Why do you keep saying, come on, son? Woo! Woo! Holy crap! Woo!
You can't get much closer. It's front row seat.
That's competition.
Bro, this competition? How's that competition?
Hey guys, watch this.
I can barely see you.
I know.
Die.
Alex for shouting.
Yeah.
Run!
Woo!
Oh, so big.
Another one.
Run.
Woo! America.
Oh, I could feel it.
Yeah. Woo!
Single toe.
He's got a flare or something.
Also, man.
It's gonna go poof.
Yeah, it's Statue of Death.
What does that even do? It just does that.
Called the Statue of Liberty.
It changes colors. That's what it does. Apparently. Hey, come back out! You can use it as a flare.
Flare.
Yeah, it is a flare.
That's a barbecue later. Yeah, no.
Best barbecue lighter there is. Run! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Holy crap, is the one that continues forever. Oh, it's raining crap everywhere. Dude, you can feel it raining on you.
Yeah. Whatever.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's like gunpowder.
Go for it.
Boom. Woo! That was a good. Yeah. I just had to run.
Run.
Woo! One went off over there. Holy crap! One lit off on the roof. It lit off on the roof. He's getting a half a stick of TNT now. A half a stick of TNT. That's a lot. That's a lot for fireworks. Might want to run. Run! Half a stick of dynamite or not. Screw you! I thought it was a dynamite thing.
Oh, it landed right next to it.
Something's gonna go off over there. Maybe.
What?
Tubes. Oh, they're laying off a lot. Run! Woo! Death! You hive things? That was boring. Out of all the good ones that we did, it was really crappy. Bruh.
That one was weak.
Yesterday I was laying off fireworks too.
Oh, yeah.
And the day before. Wait, no, that was just yesterday.
How long were you lighting them for?
A while. We had to sign a waiver for when was at my friend's house too. This was a lot better because this is like $500 and something worth. The ones that we had was $100.
Oh, so not as good.
Yeah. Woo! It rained on. raining! It's raining used gunpowder! Oh god. Run! Woo! Woo! It's raining used gunpowder! Listen to that! It sounds like it's starting to rain. Bruh. Bruh. Stop playing ball rockets. Not even close. Not even close to us. Oh, I think they're laying off a big one. Or no. Just a small hunk of junk. Oh. Alright. Record a death majigger. Watch out.
Right here.
Come back here.
Right here.
Watch out.
I can't see.
Okay. Goes. Here it goes. Woo! There it goes. Woo!
That's loud. Woo!
Right.
I'm gonna like make a playlist for fireworks. Because I have too many videos of fireworks. Ah, it's raining! That's it. Yeah, it hurts sometimes. Woo! Woo! Ow! That was a big piece hit my leg. Ah! That hurt. Woo! Okay, that was cool. Yeah, that was cool. Hunk of junk. Woo! What's over there? What's going on? Bruh. Bruh. Can you see me? No. Death. I can barely see anything. Wait, do it at my face. Can you see it now? Holy crap. Wait, hold on. Stop it! Oh, yeah! Bruh. Run, Jimmy. Why you keep putting the clothes in the way?